Hey everyone, it's Nick with Us versus Herd. If it's your first time here, like the content, hit subscribe. If you want to get notifications for when we post videos, tap the bell. And if you want to join the UVH fam, our community, links are below in the description to our Discord and our options trading group on Facebook. What I want to do today is go through some stock purchases on Cash App. I have never purchased stock on Cash App before. I have used it to send cash to friends and family or whatever, but I've never purchased stock since they've enabled it. The thing that is most intriguing to me is fractional shares. So you can put in any amount as low as $1 to purchase any ETF or stock that they have listed. Now, kind of going through the interface here, if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my iPad. I have my iPad here. I'm running this off of, Cash App is very simple. They are bringing stocks to the masses through Cash App, and they make it extremely easy to buy. To add cash, all you have to do is hit add cash. You type it in, you're good to go. If you want to cash out your cash that you have available, you can cash out as much or as little as you want. So very, very easy interface. Shows you how much cash you have, Bitcoin, and so on. What I'm going to be looking at down here is this little squiggly line, which is for stock investing. And right now, market is down a ton. So I wonder if they're going to have less demand, or if they have a lot of people selling, because you can only buy stocks on here. You can't short stocks. So you can only be long stocks. So you want the stocks to go up, obviously. Now, looking through here, you can see these are the stocks that I'm following. Most of them are down. So I don't want to go in and kind of just purchase those stocks, because I'm probably not going to be making money on this tutorial. I just want to use it for example purposes. But I do like the clean interface here. It does break down what's the most traded on the monthly, and you can kind of scroll through that. The biggest moves on the day. Oil's getting a big hit today, so you have all the oil stocks here down today, which is nice that they bring this up here. And then they actually have a book that you can read if you don't know anything about stocks. So this is very much catered to the beginner, never purchased stocks before. So it's definitely going to be a lot different than what I'm used to when I purchase stocks on Thinkorswim or Tastyworks. So this is going to be very simple. But what I want to look at is if there's anything here I could buy. The one thing I don't like about this is they don't have like a way to easily scroll through like all the stocks that they offer. Now, you can't just buy anything. They don't support everything, but if I'm looking at ETFs, you can just type in ETF and it pulls up different ETFs that you can buy. And let's look at iShares. You can see what all the iShares ETFs are. So and just so you know, you can only be long these stocks. You can't short anything. So I want to be selective on what I buy here. Right now, bonds are going up, so I'm going to try to do a stock purchase on TLT, which is a 20-year Treasury bond. So these are going up. Now, if you go here, this is up 5.5% today. The charting, very basic. You can kind of scroll through it. Shows you where it was a couple of days ago. You saw the big rip it had today, and this is where it's at. So that's a pretty clean interface, but this is I want to say the interface is very like kind of children's bookish, not to be offensive or anything, but they've made it look really simple, but probably a little bit too simple. So what I'm going to do here, I'm actually going to follow this stock, so it shows up in my list of stocks that I follow. They show you what it's going to be. Now, when you click buy, it's saying this is what the share price is going to be under details. I don't think they allow you to pick what, like limit orders or anything complex like that. So let me just hit buy. Again, I've never purchased any stocks through here before, so I'm going to hit buy. Probably going to have to go through this setup. And like I said, the nice thing is, because even though this is going for 167 a share, you can buy it as low as $1. So you're going to get a fraction of share. It's called a fractional share. So I'm just going to hit $10. And I'm going to hit next. Okay, so for the first time ever, it's asking me to fill out this stuff real quick. So let me fill this information out about myself. Let me just hold on one second. I'm just going to answer these questions. It's making me set a PIN right now for security. Okay, so it says I've been verified. Next, confirm you want to buy $10 of iShares 20+ year Treasury bond ETF, approximate share price. So it's not sure. The fees are 0, so we're paying 0 commissions on this. However, you're not able to lock in a price. It's approximate. So I'm just going to hit confirm. Nice. Okay, so it says I purchased that. I'm already down. I'm down a penny already. Oh, I'm back up. So I'm up back to $10. So you can see right here is what your holdings is worth. And if we go back, let's see if we can go back to, okay, you just bought your first stock. Like I said, I've never purchased stock through here, so you can see how your portfolio is doing. Right now we're at flat because it's not doing anything. Let me try to buy something else. Let me try to buy like a gold ETF. See if they have GLD. Okay, they do have GLD. So I'm going to try to buy gold. Market's down, so I'm going to go into precious metals and bonds. So I'm going to hit buy. We'll do another $10. See if it's a lot easier this time. Okay, enable Face ID. Okay, so no fees on this. Total cost $10. And it shows you, it's nice, it shows you how many shares approximately you're going to get. So I'm going to get 0.063. So it's kind of a lot like buying crypto. You're going to get a fraction of one share instead of the whole share. So I'm just going to hit confirm. Okay, so I just purchased $10 worth of gold. It's coming down a little bit. Now if I want to sell, let's see if I want to go to sell. Okay, so I can sell $1, $3, $5 all. Let me just hit $1 just to see. Let me see how it is selling this. So I'm going to sell $1. Confirm. Okay, so I will say that it is relatively easy. Now I have $9, so I had $10, now I have $9. So definitely pretty interesting. I'm down $3 right now already, so or 2 cents actually. Sorry, I took out $1. Now I'm back to break even, so you can kind of monitor that. My cash now I spent $20 or $19, so it looks like I lost a penny in that transaction. But that's all good. But overall, I mean, I think it's good. I think what you want to do, as you know, this is not like a main investing platform. You know, you just kind of want to use it ad hoc, and you know, it's nice that they let you do fractional shares. You can't transfer these shares to any other broker, so you are locked into Cash App, which, you know, generally I don't like. I like to have the freedom. Only thing what you can do though is, you know, if you want to transfer brokerages, you just sell what you have here and take the money elsewhere, and then buy the shares again is what you can do if you start accumulating. So right now, you know, I would say that even it kind of looks like Robinhood, even though the interface looks like a lot simpler than Robinhood. So your portfolio here, overall it was a good experience, I would say. You know, I don't think it's going to be my main investing platform, but it was really easy to buy and sell. It's easy to get cash in there. The cash is instantly available, so you don't have to wait on that. So overall, I think it's good. I'll probably do some more videos to update how this portfolio is going, how the stock trading or stock investing is going. Now that the market is going down, it's a little bit more difficult. You can't get into as many names. So let me know what you guys think of the Cash App. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. As always, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.